we have to subtract 9y squared plus 5 from 10xy squared plus 2y squared plus 31. We have to write first this trinomial because this polynomial has 3 terms, so this is trinomial. We will put this trinomial in parentheses. We have 10xy squared plus 2y squared plus 31. From this trinomial we have to subtract binomial because this polynomial has 2 terms. Always when we have subtraction we have to put in parentheses the polynomial which we have to subtract in parentheses. So we have 9y squared plus 5 in parentheses. Next, first polynomial we have to rewrite. And next, when we have negative sign before parentheses, it means we have to change the sign before every term to opposite. When we don't have any sign, it's always positive. So negative and positive give me negative, and we copy 9y squared. We have positive, so now it's negative. And now we have positive 5 because we have negative sign before parentheses. So now will be negative 5. In other words, here is like invisible 1. Negative 1 times 9 is negative 9. Negative 1 times 5 is negative 5. Negative times positive give me always negative. So this is equal. Now we have to combine the like terms. So the same variable with the same power. We have first 10xy squared. We don't have any term with xy squared, so first term we have to rewrite. Next we have 2y squared and negative 9y squared, and we have constant 31 and negative 5. So let's start from the beginning. We have 2y squared and negative y squared. So we have to copy variable y squared, and now because we have positive and negative coefficient, so we have to keep the sign of the largest number. We have 2 and 9, so larger is 9. So it will be negative sign because before 9 we have negative sign. And next we have to just subtract 9 minus 2 is 7. And we have 31 minus 5 is 26. Positive 26 because 31 is positive. So this is my solution.